it's Patty with Little Red Southern Kitchen, and today we're going to be making baked crab salad. So what you're going to need is, I usually get a bigger one of these, but I just realized that these are only 8 ounces. So I usually get the 12 or 16 ounce package of the baked crab, and mayonnaise, Duke's of course, salt and pepper. I've got some celery seed and some dill weed. These are all your choice. I'm going to use the juice of a lemon for just a little bit of freshness. And chow chow. Chow chow I use in place of pickle relish. Unfortunately, I don't have much, but that's going to be enough for this little bit. And then I'm probably going to use probably a quarter of an onion. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to grate this through with my Kitchenaid slicer shredder. If you remember, I did a review on this, and that way I can incorporate the onion in it. So at this time I am going to get off here and do all that, and we'll bring you back to mix. Alright guys, but I've already got my onion in there. It's not very much that I added to it, just a little bit to give it a flavor, because it's so minced up, it gives it a stronger flavor. This is Vidalia sweet onion, so now I am gonna pepper it, a little bit of salt, some celery seed. Tony loves celery seed, some dill weed, and I want to take the juice of about half of a lemon, just to give it a little bit of freshness to it. Alright, my tiny bit of chow chow, I don't want to mix it up with pickle relish. So this is just a little bit. Give it a little twang. Now, as far as mayonnaise, how much you use is dependent on how creamy you want it. I want it creamy, but I don't want it to be watered down, because this is not going to last overnight. I know that for a fact. But I'm making several sandwiches tonight of different things, which will go up this week after this one. So be on the lookout for that. But got a big piece of onion in there. Thought I picked them all out. I'm going to add a little bit more mayonnaise. Alright, I'm going to taste for salt and pepper. That is perfect. Alright, as I said, we are eating these on sandwiches. So I'll put them on some bread and we'll be right back. Hey guys, here it is. Our baked crab salad sandwich. I got some Parmesan pasta salad. And supper's ready. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it out on your social media. And I will see y'all shortly. Bye now.